the big result of the day, HDFC 1723, 18-hour poll was working with a number of 1688. So it's a beat by about 50 crores on a large base for a stock which is widely tracked by institutional investors. I would say it's a hurrah. The stock should react to those set of numbers. Now, prima facie for HDFC for the quarter gone by, the key monitorables are, you would have to look at the spreads, which would be in the range of about 2% plus. The fee-based income for HDFC for the quarter gone by is likely to remain muted, whereas there could be some pain on the NPA side in the institutional side, whereas individual accounts are likely to do well. Prima facie, if I look at the numbers are a good 40-50 crores above what the general consensus on the street was. And that's the beauty with HDFC. They are predictable, they know how to control their balance sheet, their risk management is in place, and I think what is really transpiring that uptick really could be a big uptick in spreads. So if spreads are strong and if operationally these numbers are okay, I would say brokerages would rush in to upgrade their estimates. Poonam, if I look at the size, the growth is about 17-18% plus. If I look at the NPA quality, well under control, and even though there is a bit of an other income from sale of investments, prima facie numbers are okay.
That is true, Nikunj. In fact, the numbers are largely in line with the overall estimates, both on the NII front as well as on the profit front. Even looking at the profit from sale of investment, that is largely in line, and that is largely flat on a YOY basis. Around 126 odd crore is the profit on sale of investments. If you even look at the loan book growth, that is pretty much in line with the overall estimate. So overall, the results are in line. We still need to watch out for the gross NPA numbers. As soon as we get in there, we would give you those numbers. But in terms of the management commentary, watch out for the overall outlook in terms of the growth, both in the individual loan book as well as the volumes of the loans that HDFC Limited has been doing. Also watch out for the asset quality. There was a possibility of a recovery in a large account worth 500 to 550 crores. So we still need to get to that, and also watch out for the overall margins and spreads. But overall, in terms of the results, largely in line, and in terms of the valuations, the stock is already trading at pretty much fair valuations. Very few analysts have a target price of over 900 on the stock.